back to Techsmartt for what could be, Ev, a crazy video. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, check the iCard right up there for the $99 Airpod Killers.
Whoa, I'm digging it. I
made this video and I had no idea that it would pop. That's the magic of YouTube and the magic of you guys. So if you're new, make sure you get subscribed. But in this video, which is sponsored by Funcl, they're putting that claim to the test. Since AirPods were released, we've seen a ton of options pop up. So much so, new prices are coming up. This one's $19 to $29, no joke, that's the range. It's not been confirmed yet. That's how new this video is. Might even be the first on this. And hey, if it's big, which it probably could be at this price, you never know. You saw it here first. I got the black one, the white one, and then I got the same colors. So the tiny ones here are called the W ones, and then the bigger ones are just called the A ones, and they're a little bit different. But the coolest thing about these is the price and what they offer, and really if they work. So let's check out the W ones. 19 to 29 bucks, 49 to 69 bucks. So let's see what it's about. Pretty easy box, Funcl, cool. If you guys want to check these out, I'll leave it linked down below. The basic stuff. You get quick start guide. You don't really need it. That's why you're watching this, right? And some ear tips. So one thing I wish the AirPods had, because they don't fit all ears. So here are the W1s. Now let's check out, pretty confident in the ear tips actually. Confident kid today. All right, let's, whoa, a little bit bigger of a case. So as you can tell, the W1s are smaller than the AIs, and that's because the AIs have, ooh, yo, F. Dig it? All right. It's not bad. I do like the case. I'm always up for something that's a little bulkier, because honestly, I'm here to say it. This is my 29th pair of AirPods. You guys saw it on the Insta story. If you're not following, it's just Techsmartt. I lose these things like it's hotcakes, and at 159 bucks, pretty expensive. So both the W1s and the AIs come with features at pretty crazy prices, and that's just what I'm about to find out, how good it is. So to pair up the AIs, which actually have the Qualcomm aptX, that's a mouthful, chip inside, which is kind of cool because it's featured on higher end headphones and with these Bluetooth earbuds or earphones, whatever you want to call it, and let me know in the comments what you call them. It's kind of a feature you wouldn't expect. I mean, on this price, it's as easy as pulling them out and putting them in your ears. And just like that, everything's connected. So you just go into Bluetooth. It's pretty easy to set up. So what we're gonna do is listen to the PB Jams playlist. It's a playlist I update every single week on Spotify, doing some cool new music stuff. If you wanna check that out, link down in the description. Ooh, this week we got some Steve Aoki and Blink-182. This is the more higher end version. Let's see how these are. We're still learning the lyrics. It's a new song. Just came out last Friday. Ooh, mids are really good. High end's nice. Okay, bass. With the aptX chip. So what that basically means is a lower latency pipeline. I had to look this up. I didn't even believe it myself. It basically allows for a better sound to come through. And that's on the AIs. So for 49 to 69 bucks, pretty good. Pretty good. I like the case. It's large enough where you're not gonna lose them. And that's basically something you need to keep in mind. You don't wanna be buying 29 pairs like me. So, are they the AirPod killer? We need to test it out with the W ones. So, these are the little guys. And on these are something kind of cool. So they feature 4.5 hour battery life. And for something as tiny as this, I'm kind of shocked. Ev, check that out. Can you believe that? 4.5 hours? Dude, that is nuts. So 4.5 hours on a full charge. The case comes with 3 extra charges. And that's the same with the AIs. But the AIs have 6 hours of battery life with 3 extra charges, so you have a full 24 hours. So that's another big difference. Better battery life on the more expensive ones. The less expensive ones, I mean, it all really depends how they sound. Okay, Ev, are you getting this right here? You see how it just tucks right in there? What do you think? Be honest with me. How does it look? And you guys let me know. Vote up in the iCard if you think it looks cool or not. It's an interesting feeling. There's something definitely in there. If I had to pick one right now, I would go jump for the AIs. But if these things sound good, I mean, the price can't really beat it. All right, let's check out another song on the playlist. Seriously, guys, check it out if you like it. Maybe hit it up on Twitter. It's just at PBJ. The lo-fi. I mean, if I was going for a jog, I don't really think these are gonna fall out of my ears. And I think that's an advantage to the W1s over the AIs. You can still run with these, but I think these are more of your everyday bud. You know, the more higher end version. Wow. They're nice. It's like a cozy sound. Mids are nice. Low end, I think, is better on the W1s than on the AIs, but that's just my personal opinion. You guys gotta check these out and let me know on Twitter. Ooh, Ev, you're checking these out after this video. I built it through the lo-fi. So I'll be honest, I'm kind of impressed with the price and the sound. Anything that works is all I really need with a wireless earbud. I want something that sounds good, but something where if I lose it, and I mean, I don't think I will with cases like this, it's not bulky, but it's nice where you can feel it in your pocket. And the price, if you do lose it, it's okay, you can replace it. And basically for 160 bucks on the AirPods, Ev, I don't know about you, but this seems like the holiday gift I'm getting everyone. Also, both of these have Bluetooth 5.0, and that's a first for me in any earbud that I've seen. I haven't really checked out Bluetooth 5.0 on headphones, earphones, or really anything of that nature yet until this video. The one advantage that the AIs have, though, is IPX5 certification. So that means like sweat, a little bit of water resistance, you're covered. The W1s don't, but that's what you get for the price. And they come with the Funcl app, so you can pair it up, get some songs in there, and really go ahead, basically find a better sound. So am I impressed? Honestly, yes. I think these could actually be a massive killer. Only time will tell, and I'm sure with the price when it is announced, and you guys know I'll let you know on Twitter, keep it locked over there. I think it could be a banger, and I really like the case. They work, they sound really good, and that aptX chip is nice. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think on this video, and that's it for this one. If you guys are new, make sure to drop a like and get subscribed by clicking that button down there. Hit up the Insta story, it's Techsmartt, and yeah, check out 2 videos after this.